So I welcome you all once again. I just wanted to give you a brief introduction of Prozela and then talk a little bit about our vision on the partnership with Accreditation Canada. Prozela is an young company. It's basically a health services company that four of us set up in 18 months back, primarily focused on one key agenda, that is to enable healthcare transformation. So we all know that in India, there is significant expansion of healthcare that is happening at this point of time. So we just wanted to be sure that we bring in the global best practices to India and support that process of healthcare expansion. So that has been one of the key reasons why we set up a company like Prozela. Our objective is to work in a co-creation mode with the partner organization so that we enable the execution of transformation programs at scale. And in that process, be a kind of a clear link between the clinical part of the healthcare business and the operational part of the healthcare business, so that we are able to really act as a bridge which effectively enables to set transformation program and strengthen healthcare as it really gets to the next stage in our country. So we work with a range of organizations for really moving the transformation agenda forward. So one is basically the medical technology and healthcare organizations. So these are the few organizations that we work with in a sustained way. Then we work with healthcare providers across, partly in India and even some other Southeast Asian countries, for basically driving on the quality and the transformation programs. And then we work with healthcare startups. We all know that India has a pretty good number of startups who develop innovative technologies which can really transform healthcare, whether it is in the cancer care, whether it is in the diabetes space. So we work with some of them in terms of driving the transformation agenda forward. So we are very proud to announce our partnership with Accreditation Canada today. We know that it's a journey that we are starting today which can have substantial impact on the way quality healthcare is delivered in the country. The vision that we have for this partnership is that bring the best of healthcare around the world and help providers in India deliver the highest quality care to all patients. So I think that's the fundamental vision which is very aligned to the transformation agenda that we have for the company. And that's the reason why we have this partnership in place, and I'm sure that we are here to bring some of the global best practices as the Indian healthcare industry is expanding.